Today in the Quadratec Academy, I'm up against the clock. It starts right now. We just folded down the windshield of a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL in 2 minutes and 25 seconds. And today, I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Welcome to another edition of the Quadratec Academy. Today we're going to be showing you how to fold down the windshield on your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, a folding windshield has been part of Jeep's history dating all the way back to the Willys, CJs, through the Wranglers, and I was really happy to see that they kept that function and feature in the new Wrangler. Now, it's a pretty easy task to take care of, and thanks to the included toolkit that comes with every new Wrangler, Jeep has made that pretty easy for you. You get all the tools you need to do the job. They got some instructions right up here to walk you through it. Now, the first thing we need to go ahead and do is pull our windshield wipers off, and to do that, we're going to use the ratchet and the 15mm socket that comes in there. Now, we've got to pry off these little caps over top of the nuts. They come off pretty easy. You can just pull those off with your fingers. You see it's just a compression on there. Go ahead and get these wipers out of the way. Just lift up on the wiper, pull it straight off of the splines. I like to put the nut right back on there so we don't lose it. And then we can just pop that cap right back on the nut so we don't lose the cap. We'll go ahead and get the passenger side wiper off. So now that we've got the wipers off the outside of our Jeep here, we move to the inside. And there's 4 bolts that we need to remove across the top edge of the windshield. And to do that, we're going to be using the long T40 Torx bit that came in our kit here. And we can start right next to the mounting arm for our visor on the passenger side. Now to reach the second bolt, we're going to go ahead and swing the visor out of the way. Now we'll go ahead and jump in the driver's seat, finish the last 2. Now that we're here in the driver's seat, we're going to go ahead and swing the visor out of the way. Get this third bolt out right here. Close the visor and remove the final bolt all the way on the outside edge. Now that we've got our 4 bolts removed from the top of the windshield, Jeep has provided us with a convenient storage place for these in the back of the Wrangler underneath of the cargo floor in the same location they provided us to store all of our door hinge bolts. Well guys, at this point, that's it. There's nothing else to do. We're ready to go ahead and fold down the windshield on our Wrangler JL. At this point, you're ready to go out, hit the trails, hit the beach, go for a ride with the bugs in your teeth. Of course, you want to make sure you use the Mopar windshield tie down kit to securely tie down the windshield so that it's not bouncing around on you while you're heading down the trails. You don't want to damage the hood or, worst case, crack that windshield. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments about how to fold down the windshield on your Jeep, you can leave those for us below. Of course, if you like today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch the next lesson right here in the Quadratec Academy. Until then, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail or right here in the classroom.